Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. We are resuming after a whole month of activities back to our routine. Last whole week I was catching up with all the March orders and following up with tracking numbers and videos and all. So that's why I couldn't hop on much. So today let's start with a Lipson's layering combo. Now that I have many new Lipson's customers, I thought I will go back to the basics again. So to show how the layering concept in Lipson's works. So here we are going to take two different shades. One is plum, a cool matte shade, like a berry burgundy shade. The other one is like a shimmer caramel latte. Both are from our permanent line. So that way I can show, and if you like it, you can always grab it, because if you like something in the limited edition, please make sure to grab it immediately, because you never know when they will go out of stock. Then there is no way to grab from the website unless I have something extra. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two layers of plum and two layers of caramel latte for this particular recipe. This is the one I think I found a little bit earlier, and I wanted to make it for long because you can see how bright this shade is, and using a shade like this is going to tone it down, because when someone gets a new color, they always feel, whether it's a red or anything, they'll be like, oh, it's too bright for me, or it's too dark for me. So this, you don't have to always wear it dark. That way, if you have a lighter shade like this, you can always tone it down. And by making it in different combos, since this Lipson's goes in 3 thin layers, you can make even 8 combos out of it, and it's always up to your imagination. If you can scrape it well and make it like a very thin consistency, you might have seen, like many of people here, they always go for 3 or me even 4. Similar way, if you like a shade by 2, you can even seal it with the gloss in that stage itself. So that way it makes it so easy for you to adapt to your own things. So layering and pre-mixing are like the cool concept when it comes to Lipson. So always make sure you give different trials based on your outfit. That way you will get tons of combos. Pre-mixing and all will get you so many different combinations. So that way you can make endless colors from the same colors you have. I'm going to do first 2 layers of plum. When you are working with darker colors, my suggestion would be always leave it extra minute for it to dry it out, because that way it doesn't look patchy. Because if it is a light color, it doesn't show up. When you're doing a darker shade like this, obviously if you have made any mistakes, it will immediately show. So this is just one layer of plum. I'm going to let it dry for 10-15 seconds, because I have made it really thin. The way you can see is I'll be able to touch it and the color shouldn't transfer. So give it a some time for it to dry and do the second layer. So now that 2 layers of plum is done, you can see this shade is such a pretty shade. When I had I think I had like my stock sale a few months back, everyone grabbed plum. So I know you all have it. So this combo, you can try it with whatever shades you have. So here I'm going to do a caramel latte on top of it. This is, as I said, it's a like a corally brown shimmer, but it's a very subtle shade. So I'm going to do 2 layers of it. So I have done one layer. You can see it's already toned it down a bit. So that's where the beauty of the Lipson's is. So it doesn't have to be bright or dark all the time. You can always mix and match. For example, if I have done just one layer of plum and 2 layer of this is going to be that's what, lighter. So and the same way you can even do first layer as caramel latte and then plum, and again follow it with caramel latte again. So let's do one more layer of it. So you can see it has turned into like a very what is it, like a in between pink and what is it, like a coral. Here you can see this is caramel latte and plum. You can see how different these two are, and when I show next to it, you can see it has turned that such a dark shade into a everyday wearing color. So I'm going to just seal it with glossy first to show you how it looks. So here is the final result from our layering combo today. Hope you liked it. So I mixed, I layered 2 layers of plum with 2 layers of caramel latte. Here you can see the difference. It's like a in-between shade of both of them, and that is how you will customize based on your outfit or how the occasion is. For example, if I am going to a school meeting or a everyday get together, then I will wear something like this, which will tone it down and make it as a everyday shade. And if I'm getting ready for a party and all, then obviously I can wear plum on a fall night, and that will enhance your whole look. Like plum is like a everyday staple that you can have because it will suit every skin tone. It's such a versatile shade, and it's a matte shade again. So whenever it's a matte, I feel like it will pop even more, whether you wear it glossy or matte gloss, doesn't matter. But this is the LipSense layering combo I had for today. I will often make these, and we will share it in a album. That way you guys can try it too. Hope you liked it. Have a wonderful day.